Hey guys, it's Roxie with Roxie's Broadway Breakdown, and today I'm going to be breaking down a maxi forward with a pullback. I already have a video on just plain maxi forwards, so check that out. It's linked below. But today I'm going to be adding that pullback. I also, with my videos, I always tap in heels, and today I'm doing it in flat tap so you can hear that pullback a little bit more because flat taps have a heavier sound. So stick with me because you are not alone when you tap with me. Sorry guys, you know I gotta stick in a musical theater reference. All right, let's get to this. I will also zoom in on my taps. So let's get to it. All right, so a maxi forward with a pullback. A maxi forward, just to remind you, is a step, shuffle, hop, toe. So when you add the pullback, a pullback is 2 steps. It's a spank touch. Just a spank touch. You want to keep it really low to the ground and you want to keep it close together so you get that little spank touch toe, that little riff sound after the shuffle. All right? And what's kind of tricky about this step is that after the shuffle, your weight is going to be all on that foot. So when you do it, you're literally having to jump off this foot to get that spank toe or spank touch. So you kind of have no momentum. You're just already there with your full weight on it. So to try and just practice those sounds, if you want to do the shuffle, just to give yourself a little bit of momentum to get into that, just so you can get that little, just so you can practice that much of it, might help you. I don't know. Some people teach it that way just so you can feel that change of weight and to help you lift off that foot that you have all your weight on. Same on the other side. And I think it really helps to keep it low to the ground. Don't do a big spank off that foot. You'll never get it. You're going to want to keep it low so that those sounds stay low to the ground. And if you do it too low, you're just going to end up scraping the floor, and you'll never get those 2 sounds before the toe. So just try and, it's just an ever so, I mean, even though your full weight's on it, it's just so slight of a lift to get those 2 sounds. And when you hear that sort of da-da-da-da-da little riff in there, then you know you're getting those sounds, all those sounds in there properly. So that's maxi forwards with a pullback to the left and to the right. And there you go. Okay, I hope you found that helpful. Please subscribe to my channel. Check out all my other videos. Please, I have some on tap, but I have a lot of others on musical theater. So check it out, and I'll see you in my next video.